मेरे जीवन में इतनी भसड़ होती रहती है।
You will have a lot of clarity.
भगवान इज लाइक तू सीख भाई, तू 20 साल की है, पर तू सीख।
तो loner हो जाओ, पर do not take bullshit from people.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Soumya and you're watching Unfazed Soumya. Literally सोने जा रही थी, but and you can see by my face कि मैं सोने जा रही थी. I am not at all in makeup and everything, but I want to film this video and I was like I will film this video right now. अभी रात के 8 बज रहे हैं. मैं पिछले 24 घंटे से नहीं सोई हूँ. आप मेरी शक्ल देख के बता सकते हैं. But मैं ये वीडियो फिल्म करूँगी because right now I'm motivated and whenever you're motivated you should do the work then and there. That's what I believe in now. So this video is about everything I learned in my 20s, early 20s. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने कुछ चीज़ें अपने जीवन में सीखी हैं या मुझे समझ आने लग गई हैं. I think internet is my safe space and yeah, I'm gonna share it with you. I mean, why not, right? By the way, I've wrote all the things here. These are like 20 things that I learned in my early 20s. I'm just 20 years old and still I don't know. मेरे जीवन में इतनी भसड़ होती रहती है. भगवान इज लाइक तू सीख भाई, तू 20 साल की है, पर तू सीख, तू अभी सीख, बाद में जाके तू चिल करियो. तो आई एम लाइक ओके, आई विल सीखो. I'll seekify it. I cannot look good for once in my life in my YouTube video, but never mind. Never mind. I hope my mic is working. I'll just check the video quickly. मेरे बाल बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदे लग रहे तो मैंने जल्दी से कंघी कर ली. Now I think I look a little put together. I guess I do. Otherwise I'm just delusional as hell. Never mind. Okay, so we're gonna start क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बकवास कर ली है. So let's start. Okay, so the first thing is not all acquaintances are your friend. And that is so real. Like you will know a lot of people, but not all of them are your friend. I do not even believe in friendships anymore because I've seen very worst. I have at the current point I just have two good friends, like very good. On them I can like believe, rely on in any worst situation. But most of the people around you are your acquaintances and not your friend, so be very mindful of who you call your friends because not in this generation, not in this world. No, 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 no. Second thing is never trust anyone. I repeat, never trust anyone than your gut. I mean, apart from your family, mama, papa, brothers, sisters, and everything, like when you go out in the world, college, job, anywhere, do not trust people. Trust your gut. अगर तुम्हारा gut बोल रहा है कि भाई ये सामने वाला बंदा भेंचोद है, तो वो हो सकता है. अगर तुम्हारा गट बोल रहा है कि भाई नो मैटर दे आर योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड बट योर गट इज सेइंग दैट समथिंग इज फिशी अबाउट देम, trust your gut. Trust your gut. Your gut is your best friend. Always trust your gut, especially girls. Trust your gut. Gut feeling is भाई जो आवाज़ आपके पेट से आए, चाहे वो भूख के लिए हो या आपके जीवन के लिए, वो मुझे लगता है थोड़ी सही ही होती है. And it has always worked and I've always seen it happening in my life. Okay.
I'm gonna film rest of the video with this because why not? Okay, so भाई मैं अपने माइक में बोले जा रही थी, मैंने 3-4 पॉइंट्स बोल दिए बट वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुए, so I'm gonna repeat it again. So the third thing was stay away from emotionally unhygienic people. अभी इनको बाइक चलानी है, इसी वक्त रात के 8 बजे बाइक चलानी है इस बंदे को. Okay, so the third thing was stay away from emotionally unhygienic people. Okay, so now how do I explain you emotionally unhygienic people? You can Google it first of all because I'm not that good at explaining. But last year probably I met this group of people. Okay, so I was very social and I always used to walk on street alone and everything. So in my locality I just found this group of people and they were like very cool. So I was like very cool, I want to be part of this group and everything. So when I became friends with them, they were so yuck. Like, it was a whole group of friends and everything, and they used to sleep with each other and they had such bad morals and values. And I was like, I'm not judging anyone, but like my beliefs do not resonate with them. एंड लाइक आपके पेरेंट्स से बोलते हैं ना, संगत का असर होता है भाई, होता है. तो अगर ऐसे कोई भी इंसान जिनके साथ आपकी मॉरल्स एंड वैल्यूज़ रेजोनेट नहीं होती है एंड यू नो इन योर हार्ट दैट इट इज़ नॉट राइट and you don't want to be part of that, do not indulge in such kind of groups because those people will make your life hell and they will also affect you. So please stay away from emotionally unhygienic people. Okay, so the fifth thing is manifestation is real. Yes, it is so fucking real. I've manifested like literally my job, my relationship with my friends, my living in Delhi, a lot of minor and major things I've manifested in my life, and trust me, the day you get to know the real, meaning behind manifestation and how to do it, your life will be so sorted, guys. And trust me on this, you need to learn about manifestation if you do not already, and you need to learn the right way. Like, manifestation is a lifestyle that you live. It's not a technique कि भाई इसमें लिख दिया या फिर ये लिख के खा गए या पी गए तो हो गया. नहीं भाई, it's a lifestyle and you need to learn about it. If you want, I can make a video on manifestation जितना मुझे पता है, जितना मैंने किया है. Otherwise, if you don't do your research, use ChatGPT, use YouTube, use books. Manifestation is fucking real, guys. It's very much real, just like me, you, and everything else. It's real, it's legitimate, and it is mind fucking blowing thing, to be honest. Okay, so the next thing is money is not important than your mental health and your peace of mind. भाई ऐसी नौकरी करने का क्या फायदा जहाँ पे आपको खाने का वक्त नहीं मिल रहा, सोने का वक्त नहीं मिल रहा, हगने का वक्त नहीं मिल रहा, आपको नींद नहीं मिल रही, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, बड़ा पैसे कमा रहे हो, रेंट भर रहे हो, सब कुछ कर रहे हो, but and you are getting traumatic. You paying for your therapy, you're paying for the bills, you're paying for the pills and everything. And if it is affecting your peace of mind, anything, like anything, आप कुछ कर रहे हो, बहुत पैसा आ रहा है, बहुत पैसा आ रहा है, it's amazing job of the world, but कोई चीज़ आपको अंदर से खाई जा रही है, leave it, bro. Leave it, guys, leave it, because it will not make sense in future. Do you want to live a life like that कि मतलब आप पैसे बहुत कमा रहे हो लेकिन आप शांति नहीं हो, आपका मन शांति नहीं है अंदर से, anything is not making sense to you. So if you're in that kind of trap, make a way out of it. Everything has a solution. Make a way out of it. Do not make the cost your mental health. मतलब money does not equal to your mental health. Your mental health is above than anything, any relationship, money, etc. Anything. The sixth thing is, it is very normal thing, but sleep is very important. Very important. Take your sleep seriously. अगर आप कॉलेज में हो, हाँ ठीक है, आप रात के 3 बजे सो रहे हो, सुबह 6 बजे उठ रहे हो, पार्टी कर रहे हो, दारू पी रहे हो, सुट्टा पी रहे हो, सब कुछ कर रहे हो, एंड देन यू आर नॉट स्लीपिंग, यू लाइक इट्स फाइन, आई एम सो यंग, I'll cope up to it. honey, sleep as much as you can. Like मतलब इतना भी नहीं कि मतलब आप अगर if you're doing physical labor so much, you need to sleep. Make sleep your priority over anything. Trust me, it will heal you. It will heal your mind. It will heal your body. It will heal your dark circles. It will heal your skin. मैं जब ये job करती हूँ as a cabin crew, the moment I take a good nap, everything in my body is restored. Like I don't know what. Like it gives me a new life every time I wake up. Sleeping is so important, and I think everyone should take their sleep very seriously. Like put your phone on silent. Like सब कुछ ब्लॉक कर दो भाई, मतलब पर्दे लगा लो, सब कुछ कर दो, शोर है तो भाई अपने कान में ठिप्पी डाल लो, लेकिन have a good sleep, have a good sleep, have a good sleep at any cost. It is very important, like very important. The people who are not able to sleep, ask us, guys. We go literally mad, we go like zombies. नींद बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. Thing, be cringe. No one gives a damn, and even if they do, you should not give a damn. People, don't be a people pleaser. लोग क्या कहेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे, क्या सोचेंगे. तुम्हें अगर कोई चीज़ करनी है ना और वो cringe की कैटेगरी में आती है, करो भाई. Be fucking cringe. You're gonna die, I'm gonna die, fuck it. No one's gonna remember anything. Be cringe. If you wanna post that video, post it. If you wanna post that reel, post it. If you wanna post a photo, post it. If you wanna go out in public wearing something stupid, do it. It's one life. I don't know if there is another something. But काफ़ी टाइम तक ना मैं YouTube पे वीडियो नहीं पोस्ट करती थी, because मेरे को ऐसा लगता था, oh my crush will see it, he'll judge me and he'll think that I'm so uncool, I wanna be a YouTuber. My colleagues will see it, they'll think I'm so uncool. My parents will see it. Just fuck it, bro. Do whatever the fuck makes you happy. I mean, like, don't do drugs and all, but do whatever the fuck makes you happy, and just do it. No matter if it's cringe, if it's cool, if it's super cool, just do it. Nothing is cringe, nothing is cool. Today it's cringe, tomorrow it'll be cool. Today it's cool, tomorrow it'll be cringe. So just do it. Eighth thing, I'm also working on it. I've learned, work on your procrastination habits. I mean, guys, I have realized procrastination is very much real, and I am also इसका शिकार बहुत ज़्यादा. Try to work on your procrastination. Procrastination is killing half of your मेहनत, your dreams, the things that you can achieve and think. Because I don't know, आज के ज़माने में प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन करना भी ईजी हो गया है भाई. इंस्टाग्राम खोलो, 2 घंटे रील में कहाँ चले जाते हैं नहीं पता चलता. अभी कर लेंगे, थोड़ी देर में कर लेंगे. मतलब मैं अभी जो बोल रही हूँ ना, मेरे को बहुत ही सरप्राइज हो रहा है कि मैं ये बोल कैसे ले रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं खुद भी वही काम करती हूँ. बट आई एम working on it. I think we should work on that together. So try to work on your procrastination level. Everyone procrastinate, I get it, but I can say one thing to my younger self. I'll just say, Don't procrastinate that much, baby, don't. One thing is, again, it's very small, it's very minute, but the difference it makes is huge, is making a to do list. हमारे पास जब एक to do list होती है, so we have things to do. So थोड़ा बहुत अगर आप 10 में से 5 भी कर लेते हो, गुड डील. आई मीन क्रेजी भाई, बहुत ही क्रेजी हो गया. क्योंकि जब हमारे पास एक टू डू लिस्ट नहीं होती है ना, हमारे ब्रेन को नहीं पता क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. हम सोचते हैं हाँ आज ये करेंगे ये करेंगे ये करेंगे, पर भाई इंस्टाग्राम खुल गया, रीलें देख रहे हैं, स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं चल रहा है क्या करना है. अगर आपके पास एक टू डू लिस्ट है, भले आप उसमें से 4 चीज़ें कर रहे हो, बट back of the mind you're like, yeah, I woke up, I wrote something, I have to do it. You will take steps because, you know, I don't know, the brain is wired like that or something shit like that. But make a to-do list. Even if you don't do shit, start making a to-do list every day. Trust me, you will achieve 5 out of 10 things per day. So making a to-do list is a must for me and for you. Do it together, do it with me. Okay, so number 10th, it is I think correlated with the other thing that I said, is maintain your mental peace. Maintain your peace, mental peace, physical peace, whatever it is, but maintain your peace, guys. If someone is giving you negative vibes, if someone is ruining your sacred space, your holy space in your life, relationship, cut that bitch off. Cut them off no matter what. अपने दिमाग को शांत रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अपने जीवन की शांति आपके हाथ में है भाई. यू नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट योर पीस. अगर कोई ऐसा दोस्त है भाई जिसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा चहचह पह हो रही है जीवन में, तुम्हें नहीं समझ आ रहा क्या करना है, कट दैट बिच ऑफ. दैट रिश्तेदार ऑफ, कट दैट पर्सन ऑफ. चाचा ताऊ आंटी, पड़ोस वाली आंटी, अंकल भैया, दोस्त, दोस्त का दोस्त, दोस्त के दोस्त का दोस्त, दोस्त की गर्लफ्रेंड. Cut people off. तो लोनर हो जाओ, पर do not take bullshit from people. Cut people off. Protect your peace at any cost. The 11th thing is choose your male friends very wisely, because majority of them wants to sleep with you, and that's a fact. I'm not saying, oh my god, I'm Aishwarya Rai and everyone wants to sleep with me, oh my god. No. Friends, like only friends who do not see you as opportunity, who do not want to get in your pants and just see you, you know, doing good in your life, and just, you know, just there as a friend, nothing more. It is so rare. So whenever you surround with yourself with, oh, he's my male friend, he's a, choose them wisely. You will know inside. And trust me, there are people out there who can be your friends, just male friends. There should be a lot of boundaries that you both need to maintain, तभी चीज़ें workout करती हैं. There are people out there who can be good friends, but I don't believe in the concept of best male friends and shit, but they can be good friends. Like, yeah, they can be good friends. Choose them wisely. That's it. The 12th thing is, do not tell everyone everything. I used to do that mistake so often. Like now I'm living alone. Previously I used to live with different people, and I had a like really huge friend group and everything, and I was like, oh, आज मेरे साथ ये हुआ, आज मेरे साथ वो हुआ, oh, this one is treating me like that, this person is treating me like that, blah blah blah. Zip it up. Zip it up. Do not have to tell anything to anyone except your mama. Okay? Not even your best friends, best colleagues and everyone. No. Keep it to yourself, keep it to your mother. If you have a cat, keep it to your cat. Do not have to tell everyone everything except the only person like you trust the most. Could be your friend, could be your partner, could be your brother, could be your sister. But सबको सब कुछ मत बताओ यार. मत बताओ, you will regret. So yeah, do not tell everyone everything. That's like a key thing, to be honest. 13th thing, learn how to cook healthy meals. I'm not saying learn how to cook meals. Learn how to cook healthy, balanced meals which has protein, carbs, micro, macro, fiber, everything. I have met really less people who can cook on the basis of protein, macro, micro and everything. So I'll just say that learn how to cook healthy meals, because Indian diet is full of carbs and shit. So yeah, that's the point I wanted to highlight. 14th point is start saving money early, as early as you can. If you are 18 and you're earning 5,000 rupees, save 1,000 every month. I've learned this hard way, guys, a very hard way, but start saving money. You do not need that perfume, you do not need that blush, you do not need that eyeliner. Just have minimum things which you require daily as a person, and start saving up money. Start saving up money. It will help you. It will help you in future. जितना जल्दी आप कर सको उतना जल्दी करो. If you have a job and everything, start saving up money. Trust me, guys, one day you'll thank yourself for that. The next thing is have a goal. Have a goal in your life. Have a vision for yourself. बताऊँ, मैंने ऐसे लोग देखे हैं, they're like 26, 27, 28. They failed in their life only because they did not have a vision. उनके पास कोई गोल नहीं था, क्योंकि भाई एक बच्चा होता है ना, उसको बचपन से पता होता है मुझे ये करना है, भाई वो अपनी फुल टूस पूरी जान लगा देता है भाई वो चीज़ करने में। जब आप ऐसे बच्चे होते हो ना जी, आपको नहीं पता कि हाँ आज टीचर बन जाता हूँ, कल सिंगर बन जाऊँगा, उसके बाद मॉडल बन जाऊँगा, आप कुछ नहीं कर पाते। लाइक आई हैव सीन पीपल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, हैव अ गोल, हैव अ विजन इन योर लाइफ, एंड ट्रस्ट मी यू विल समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हाँ अगर आपको सिंगिंग पसंद है तो आप ए आर रहमान बन जाओगे, but if you have a goal you will definitely make something out of it. If you are a person with no goals, no vision, trust me, you're going to be doomed in life. And I'm just 20 and I'm saying this because I have seen people around me who are older than me and dooming in their life. So yeah. 16th thing, romantic relationships are not that important in your life. Like, do not make that the center of your life. Like, if you have a good partner, very nice, like amazing, like बहुत बढ़िया भाई, उससे अच्छा नहीं हो सकता कुछ। बट मैंने ऐसे लोग देखे हैं भाई जिनके बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है एंड दे आर क्रिपिंग दैट ऑल द टाइम, ओ भाई बंदी पटवा दे, बंदी पटवा दे, बंदा पटवा दे, बंदा पटवा दे। आई मीन योर लाइफ इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स। आपकी लाइफ रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स के बगैर भी चल सकती है। ट्राई टू बिल्ड योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट, देन रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स। And trust me, guys, if you do not do that, you're gonna spend your whole energy in romantic relationships and you will end up miserable. So, romantic relationships are important, but they should not be the center of your whole universe and your whole life. They're not life, they're just part of life, okay? Point 17 related to point 16, being single is normal. Being single is normal. You do not have to jump from one relationship to another, one boyfriend, one girlfriend to another. Have a breath, be single. Like, it's such a good thing, to be honest, and it's very cool, to be honest. You have a lot of things to do. You can focus in your life, you can focus in bettering yourself, you can focus in your career. फिर से गाड़ी निकाल ली बेंचो saying, you can focus in your career, you can focus on your health, you can focus on your family. There's so many things. Like, if you have a good partner, good romantic relationship, very nice, chef's kiss. If you do not have, being single is also super cool, guys. When you're fulfilled in yourself, love, is complementary. When you're not fulfilled in yourself, love is to fill you up, and the thing that fills you up, it's not good. Like, अगर आप खुद में complete feel कर रहे हो, then it's very good to have a romantic relationship. अगर आप खुद में complete नहीं हो and then you are like just cribbing कि भाई बंदा चाहिए, बंदी चाहिए, बंदा चाहिए, बंदा चाहिए, it will not work out. I think like that. Not sure about you. I think like that. Okay, move on. Moving on to number 18 is take a trip. Take a trip with your friends, with your partner, whatever. अगर आपको जीवन में किसी भी इंसान को टेस्ट करना है, take a fucking trip with them. That involves money, adventure and everything, like adult things. आपको इंसान की असलियत, चेहरा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चलेंगी जो रोज़मर्रा के जीवन में नहीं पता चलती हैं। इसीलिए भाई एक ट्रिप ज़रूर लो। अगर आपका बंदा बंदी है, आपके दोस्त हैं बहुत, कि आप जिनको सोचते हो कि भाई ये तो मेरे साथ जीवन में हमेशा रहेंगे, उनके साथ एक ट्रिप लेके देखो, मज़ा आ जाएगा भाई। या तो तुम्हारी बात सच निकलेगी या तो तुम्हारी बात झूठ निकलेगी। यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी, एट द सेम टाइम यू विल ऑल्सो मेक मेमोरीज, यू विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन, एंड you will always cherish that friendship that you made on that trip and that time. And trust me, if you have good people around, going on a trip with them is fantastic. It is magical, it is life changing, it is everything. Like, you should go on a trip twice a year, I feel like, if you can afford it. Number 19, start living alone as soon as you can. Living alone is the ultimate level of like weird shit and adventurous shit you can do in your life. It will teach you so many fucking lessons. It will coach you, it will traumatize you, it will overwhelm you, it will teach you like that school can never teach you in 12 years. Living alone will teach you everything, teach you adulting, it will teach you how to manage a relationship, it will teach you how to cook, clean, keep your house clean, it will teach you finances, it will teach you to shut your mouth when it's required. I mean, if you don't have money, obviously you're not gonna open your mouth. It will teach you to manage things. I mean, it will teach you the real shit about life. Start living alone. I mean, alone. Don't get a roommate and everything. Yeah, if you like just starting out, get a roommate and everything, but then slowly move away from that also and start living like alone. Be a fucking adult. do the adult shit, buy groceries, buy detergent, buy साबुन की टिकिया, कपड़े खुद धुलो भाई, स्त्री खुद करो, खाना खुद बनाओ, सब कुछ खुद करो, बिल खुद पे करो भाई, मोटर की टंकी खुद चलाओ. I mean, that's too much, but yeah, I just wanted to say that start living alone. You will learn a lot, guys, a lot. Last thing, and the 20th thing is, do not compare yourself with anyone. I mean, I am saying this, but I also compare myself. I feel like you should only compare yourself with the younger version of yourself. Because, yeah, what's the point of comparing yourself with anyone else? I mean, you're gonna ruin your mental health, you're gonna make your life miserable and shit when you know that you're unique and the other person is also unique in their own way. Do not compare yourself with your relatives. Do not compare yourself with the people that you see on Instagram. Do not compare yourself with that friend. Do not compare yourself with the Instagram model. Do not compare yourself with Ananya Pandey, Janvi Kapoor, any celebrity. No one. No one. No one. No one. Do not compare yourself. It's the most hateful thing that you can do to yourself, to your body, to your soul, to your mind. Do not compare yourself, guys. I've learned that hard way. I always used to compare myself कि भाई मेरी नाक ऐसी है, मेरी आँख ऐसी है, भाई मैं ऐसी नहीं लगती, मेरे बाल ऐसे हैं, मेरी हाइट ऐसी है, I don't talk like that, I don't look like that, I don't sound like that, I don't have a body like that, blah 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 blah. Compare your goals, compare your success. I'm not even saying compare your success, because everyone has different story, but if you want to compare yourself in good things rather than bad things, okay? I hope that makes sense. That was it for the video, and one bonus tip. It's not like an advice or something. It's just be happy, be grateful. Like, shit happens in life and shit comes together as well in your life. So it's all just part of life, and be happy. Like, enjoy the fucking moment. रो धो सब कुछ करो, खुश भी रहो. Like, it's all a part of life. Like, yeah, if you're crying for someone right now, probably you will laugh at someone else tomorrow. If you don't have the job right now, probably it was, giving time to heal, and you'll get the job tomorrow. If you're not eating well today, probably you will eat well tomorrow. Yeah, so सूरज उगता है ढलता है, उगता है ढलता है, उगता है ढलता है. Do not lose yourself in that, and always talk to your parents, talk to your brothers, sisters, people that love you. So yeah, that was it for the video. अगर आपको एक भी मेरी एडवाइस या फिर कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो, कमेंट करना भाई. ठीक है, कमेंट करना with the advice and just say that yeah, you liked it, and if you liked the video, please follow, like, subscribe and everything, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Mwah.